Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a pan and zoom effect, something like the one I did here on Petch Preps. If you want to learn how I did this, stick around, I'll show you how. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content. Here we go. So the first thing that you want to do is to import a video in Filmora. I always say this. And here you can see I have a video that I created. It's actually a promo video for Petch Preps. It's a YouTube cooking channel. I'm gonna put her link in my description and show you exactly what I did. So now the video has no pan and zoom inside of it, so I'm gonna actually create one. So I'm gonna scroll in the timeline, the playhead, so right where he pushes out the chicken, bam. Okay, I'm going to cut, and the shortcut is Control B, and I'm going to probably do another cut right here and cut. Okay, so to do a pan and zoom effect, first you highlight the clip that you want and then you click on the crop and zoom icon. Now you're going to click on pan and zoom at the top, and there are going to be two rectangular shapes inside of the clip. You're going to click on the second one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it where I want the zoom effect to begin. So in this case, I want it to start from here. I could resize it if I want, but I think this should be fine for me. And you can preview it to see how it looks. So I'm going to click on the play button. All right, and that's where it's going to stop. So I'm comfortable with where it is. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a crop. So as soon as he bites the chicken, or attempts to bite the chicken, like right here, I'm gonna make a cut right there, and then after he bites it, I'm going to make a cut right there. And right here I highlighted the clip that I want to make the crop effect. Click on that and make sure crop is selected, and I'm going to do this. So I'm pretty much going to have where he bites the chicken. Okay, so right there. Okay, so we're gonna play it from right where he puts up his hand with the chicken so you can see how it looks. Okay, and that's the zoom in, the pan and zoom, and it goes original, then it goes to the crop. Boom. Yep, and that's how you do a pan and zoom effect. For more videos and tutorials, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. See you next time, guys.